The last setup video that I did was over a year ago. A lot of things have changed, and this is probably the most asked video that I have had for a while, and I've been delaying it for a couple months now. So here it is. Welcome to my setup tour. This is what I call the enabler. I spend pretty much my entire day here, and everything that I'm able to do, it's all because of what I'm doing with this setup right here. So I'm just gonna give you guys a walk around. I'll also mention the pricing of every item, and I'm gonna be looking into my MacBook because यहाँ पे मेरे पास में पूरे हर एक चीज़ का list है, and we'll go in order with everything. So firstly, I have this massive desk here. It's a 6x3 engineered wood desk, and basically I got this made from a furniture store. It's been a good while now. This desk cost me about like 6,000 rupees. I had a couple drawers made as well. I did not basically get it online anywhere. The whole point of getting a big desk was to basically be able to have everything else, and mainly I keep my notebook always in front of the keyboard. The main reason is I'm always writing, and I needed this. The old desk was really small, so I had to keep the keyboard aside, and then uske mein adjacent rakh ke writing karta tha, which I didn't really prefer. So this is probably the biggest one, and then I just wanted to have a really clean desk because this has been one of the main things that I wanted to get, like, you know, in my entire setup. Let's move on to the second item. It's this Selbel chair, and I actually didn't buy it. I got this Selbel chair sent to me by the company. I did a barter deal with them, so I integrated this chair in one of my old videos, and then uske liye I got this offered. This chair usually costs around like 18,000 rupees. It's very sturdy. I actually really like it. I've had a couple bad experiences behind the scenes with the company, but anyways, the product is really nice, and I think if you guys have the budget to get a gaming chair, definitely go for it. The third item, which I get asked a lot, it's that lamp over there. Okay, so that lamp I got it from IKEA, and it was around, I think, 1,200 rupees, and then there were a couple bulbs with this lamp. So I put that here. ये like extend भी हो जाता है, so I can increase or decrease the length of this. So this was like 1,200 rupees, and then उसका जो bulb है, that was like 200-300 rupees. Then the next thing that I want to, like, you know, point you guys to, it's actually something which is not here. It's this. It's the Memento Mori calendar. Now, I got this calendar actually gifted from my flatmate on my last birthday. So when I turned 25 last year, he gifted me this. I didn't really fill it for a good while, but I did now. And it's actually a good reminder. On every Saturday, I remember to fill an extra space here. I'm just gonna do that right now. It's been 4 weeks since I turned 26, and yeah, let's fill this. So you guys can see that this is the amount of life that I have lived so far. I keep this as a reminder because it constantly reminds me of how little we're actually gonna live, and I picture my family's life here, and then it actually pushes me to take action. So this was gifted, but I think it cost like 4,000 rupees or something. Behind this, it's a whiteboard, which I don't really use, and this stand. So this stays behind, and it's actually like a really nice background whenever I'm taking calls, and people actually ask me about it on sales calls as well. The next item I have, it's this task note that I got from Rhoda, and I think ये 3 के set में आती है, and it's really nice actually. I'll show you guys the layout so you guys can see. इसमें एक side में you can have your tasks, on the other side you can actually take notes. So I get a lot of these at once. I have like 4 or 5 more. So this is a really good one, and इसका price था, I think, 1,800 rupees for a creator set. So I got like notepads as well इसके साथ में. Then the next item, this is where we'll move on to this monitor I've had since day one when I moved into my, like, you know, old apartment. So I've always had this monitor. It's LG 27-inch Ultra Gear 2K 144 Hz, monitor, and I got this for like 31,000 rupees. I mean, it's really nice. Right now I want a bigger monitor, but I mean, it gets the job done, so I don't really need anything else for now. I'll probably get a secondary monitor after this. इसके अलावा the main beast that powers everything, it's that laptop over there, which I covered in the last setup video as well. It's an Alienware 15R3 that my dad bought for me when I was in my first year of college, and I've had that laptop since 2017, and it's the main, like, you know, source behind me being able to do everything. So even though I have another laptop, that's the main laptop where I get all the work done. I got that laptop from Dubai. That laptop was around like what, 1,75,000 or something. The specs are, it has a 32 gig RAM, 1 TB hard disk, 256 GB SSD, 7th generation i7, 8 GB 1070. So it's really, like, you know, it's really old. I'm closing in on the 7th year with this laptop, and I mean, it's pretty much flawless. मेरे को कोई और दिक्कत आती नहीं है. So I've kept it. But recently, like, you know what happened, whenever I'm traveling more and more, I can't really carry that laptop along with me everywhere. So सबसे बड़ी चीज़ वो बैग, वो पहले चीज़ तो फिट नहीं होता है किसी के अंदर. I got a Mocha बैग recently, and उसमें वो फिट नहीं होता है, and उसका चार्जर बॉक्स वगैरह सब बड़ा है. प्लस आई डू नॉट हैव द बैटरी इनसाइड ऑफ दैट लैपटॉप. आई रिप्लेस द बैटरी ट्वाइस, एंड वो बार बार स्वेल हो जाती है बैटरी. दैट्स वाई आई एक्चुअली गॉट रिड ऑफ द बैटरी, एंड अभी ये लैपटॉप सिर्फ और सिर्फ चार्जर पे चलता है. So I prefer to keep it here, and then early this year, like, you know, about 3-4 months ago, I was thinking, what more can I do? Like, you know, with the functionality of this whole thing. So I decided to get a new MacBook. So it's the Air M3, the latest one, 512 GB SSD, and I don't know कि इसकी RAM वगैरह कितनी, but this is the best 13-inch MacBook Air M3 that I could get. And this MacBook I bought for 1,54,000 rupees, and I got the GST refunded as well because I bought it under the company. इसके बाद में probably the newest addition that I've had in my entire setup has been this and this, the two speakers I have, and these are the Edifier speakers. I'll put the model number here somewhere. These were like 13,000 rupees. I got there's a foam stand here, basically to reduce the bass and table नहीं हिले उससे ज़्यादा. So I got these speakers recently. Sanko, shout out to you. Sanko भाई ने suggest किया था मेरे को speakers लेने को, and these are really nice. Like, I love watching anime, movies, YouTube videos. मैं कुछ भी देख रहा हूँ, I have these speakers on always. Because this is a YouTube video, I will not play anything. For some reason, इसकी आवाज़, I don't know how, but it doesn't go out of my room for some reason. So I could have this on full volume and people outside won't know. That's the best thing about it. Maybe the soundproofing is really nice, but anyways. The next thing is the monitor stand bill. यहाँ पे, so you guys can see, ये जो monitor stand है, it's a Amazon basic stand, and I've had this since like what, 2022, and it was around 2,500 rupees. And yeah, I've had this since day one. Cable management अच्छा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, so I keep it here, and it gives a really nice floating look to the entire setup. And उसके साथ में you guys will see that there are light bars. These are light bars that my cousin got me from Germany. I don't know कि उनका brand क्या है, I don't really know, but I've had these since 2021 or 2022, and I love them. I want to keep this black and orange theme throughout my setup because I like a warm ambience to the whole thing. So I wanted to have more of a color scheme going on where the light matches the mouse pad, and then it also matches the light that I have here, and then the small light that I have there. And then after this, I have a Scarter's double side mouse pad. So on the other side it's navy blue, and then on the top side it's orange like this. So you guys can see pura orange hai. It's really nice. I mean, yeah, there's not much else to it. इसके बाद में I have the two new things. मतलब not really new, but two additions to the whole thing. First one is this MX Master 3 that I purchased off of Aman. Aman edits my videos on Vaisaksham, and वो use नहीं करा था, and I just told him कि मेरे को खरीदना दे तेरे से. So I got this. I've been using it for close to a year and a half now. I mean, there's no issue with this mouse, so I really love it. I got this mouse from him for like 6,000-7,000 rupees. And then the new keyboard I have, it's the Keychron K3 Pro Wireless. I got this for like 10,000 rupees, and it's a really nice addition. It's a mechanical keyboard, but the sounds are almost negligible. So listen to this. Right, so if I'm typing, people do not get disturbed by it. Plus the best thing about it is, तुम लोग अगर यहाँ पे देखोगे, so there are two buttons here. So I can actually have it configured for Mac as well as Windows. Plus this keyboard supports like 3 devices at once. I just have to keep holding function and then 1, 2 or 3, and it toggles between the different devices that I have. So I can actually connect it with iPad, my Alienware laptop or my MacBook, and then I can work on this. The mouse was for like 6,000-7,000 rupees, the keyboard for 10,000, and then I have two tripods. So it's similar to this one. I keep 2 tripods, and I have the phone mount as well, and this is the one that I'm filming on as well. I'll be back. So yeah, these are just the normal 2 Digitech tripods. I wanted to have one for like a top-down shot. So the one that I'm filming on right now, it has like the whole, I don't know ये क्या होता है, ये बाहर आ जाता है, and then I can put it horizontally, and then I can film top-down shots. Although it's not that big, so if I want to get, let's say, top-down shots of me working here, it goes till here, and I can't really film that way. So these 2 tripods were for like 2,000 to 3,500 or something, maybe 4,000 combined. So I have these 2, and then next one, the whiteboard and stand that I showed you guys combined, it's like 3,000 rupees. इसके बाद में I don't know तुम इसको setup का part बोलोगे क्या, but this is the Apple Watch Series 9. I got it I think last year or early this year, and this was like 53,000 rupees. I mean, it was only an impulse purchase because I wanted to track more of my fitness. But the worst thing about this watch now is I do not wear any of my other watches. I have like 3-4 good watches. I want to get the PRX next. So the best watch that I have apart from this is the Seiko Sports 5, and I don't really wear that. So this is Series 9 Apple Watch. इसके बाद में this webcam that you see right here, that webcam over there, it's like a Logitech 1080p webcam I got quite a while ago when I didn't have this camera that I'm filming with right now, and that was around what 7,000-8,000 rupees or something. The next part of the setup is this Kindle. It's a Paperwhite, I guess. It's for 15,000 rupees, and I got it last year. Although I started off really well by reading a lot on this Kindle, but not anymore. Although I have started to pick up reading again, and right now I am reading the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing, and I'm at chapter 2 currently. So I don't really have like a habit with this Kindle. What I do usually is मैं इसको मेरे बेड पे रखता हूँ. So before I'm going to bed or right when I wake up, अगर मेरे को phone scroll consciously नहीं करना है, so I'll pick up this Kindle and I'll read like a. इसके बाद में we have this camera that I'm filming with right now. It's the Sony ZV-E10. I've had this for like 5-6 months now. I got this in February probably, and since then I've been filming all of my A-roll videos that I do on Instagram from this camera. And this camera along with the lens, it was what 63,000 rupees. So I mean, this is definitely a great investment. Main चीज़ ये है, being a creator, I do not want for storage to be like a problem. iPhone की दिक्कत ये होती है. I have this iPhone 13 Pro. इसकी दिक्कत mainly बस ये है कि I cannot film too much on this. Even though I have the 2 TB Apple Cloud on a monthly basis, but उसका storage अगर phone का एक बार full हो गया, it takes a lot of time to back up the whole data before I can film anything again. And uploading everything from the iPhone to Google Drive, that's where I keep all of my content storage. वहाँ पे issue ये होता है that if that iPhone turns off, I mean उसका screen बंद हो जाए, it stops uploading. So I have to keep that phone on, and मेरे को Wi-Fi के पास में छोड़ के आना पड़ता है, and it takes hours to upload. That's why I got a separate camera. Usually what I do these days is when I want to upload my footage from the camera to the drive, I connect this to my MacBook, and then MacBook से I keep it near the Wi-Fi. That's where the signal is the strongest, and वहाँ से वो सारा footage upload हो जाता है, because Currently I have about close to 2.5 TBs of footage that I've taken since day one for all of my content probably. Then the next part of the setup is this. It's the DJI mic. It's I think the mic 1, and I got this. So it comes up with 2 mics actually, and iske andar there's a connector for iPhones. I mean up to Type C ho gaya, but uske alawa there's a Type C connector as well, and then there are 2 receivers. I could have like a podcast that way, or I can just take this anywhere and I can have 2 mics. So this is very convenient. Now I don't have to really worry about audio issues, because the audio is phenomenal on this mic, and I think this is a really good investment for setup as a creator mainly. Then after that, this is OG mic I've always had. It's the Fifine T669. I've had this since early 2020. It's a 4,000 rupee mic, which now is like a staple. I took this mic on John T. Krishnani's podcast. I had this mic with Subha as well on his podcast. And then all of the sales calls that I'm taking, I now only use that mic. Earlier, before I got the DJI one, I only used to film everything with this Fifine mic, but not anymore. So it's just making things more convenient. That's the whole part about investing. Then I have like 2 Western Digital hard disks, not SSDs, HDDs, 4 TB ones. That's where I keep a huge amount of backup for my storage that I have. The main thing being SSDs thodi महंगी आती है, and HDDs are cheaper, plus it can carry more storage. I don't really give a fuck about the transfer speed or anything. Unless I am working on something creative, I do not give a shit. So I keep those 2 as a backup, and that's really nice. So the 2 hard disks, one I was gifted, the second one I got for like 15,000 rupees. Uske baad mein another part of setup which I haven't really used for years now. It's my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Mummy ne khareed ke diya tha. It was like 30,000 rupees, and I think I need to use it more, but I don't know. I don't really know कि मैं अभी कहाँ use करूँगा उसको. उसके बाद में I have these wireless earbuds. These are the JBL. What's the fucking name of this? JBL True Wireless 2. JBL Pro Wireless 2, something like this. 10,000 rupees. I have that little lamp over there, the mushroom shaped one. It was like 1,000 rupees again from IKEA. उसके बाद में I have DJI gimbal OM5. That's what I've used a lot. The footage that you see right now, it's all filmed with the gimbal OM5. Although I don't really use it that much as of now, because again, मैं दूसरों का footage थोड़ी निकाल रहा हूँ उससे. So when Aman was living with me, he used to film everything that I was doing with that gimbal, and it was a worthy investment. Apart from this, I have these Sony XM4 headphones. I've had these like for over 2.5 years now, and these are banging. Although I don't really use headphones much since I've gotten the speakers. Headphone hair, मैंने देखा कि लोगों का skull deform हो जाता है, so I don't really want that. That's the main thing. उसके बाद में one of the most frequently asked questions that I get is about this thing right here. It's the bookshelf. So I ordered this from IKEA. यहाँ पे I keep my supplements, and then I have these 2 Goku and Naruto toys that I got. I don't know इनको Funko Pops बोलते हैं क्या. And then I have that touch lamp. I don't really use it now. उसके अलावा I have some of my books, 2 of my journals. तुम लोगों ने हर कहीं देखा होगा. The MMA journal and then the brown one is my daily journal. So I keep that here. Some of my books are here. उसके बाद में second में, this is where I keep my keys. मेरा एक extra speaker है, the carry bag for the camera, and then mic वगैरह सब ये रहता है. Then below this I keep my books here. So a lot of books. इसके नीचे भी books है, उसके नीचे भी books है, एक chocolate का box है, and the extension cord, and then उसके नीचे I keep my notebooks here. I have this weird hobby of collecting notebooks now for some reason. So I got 3 new notebooks here, and then the to-do list and everything. I counted the books yesterday, and I think I have like 66 books now, and the total price of those books would be like 35,000 rupees, something like that. So this is pretty much the whole setup I have. I know तुम लोगों को कुछ को लग रहा होगा I will film this very aesthetically. I'm not Sanko, I'm not Akash. I don't know how to be a better cinematographer. That's something that I want to do a lot, but not right now. I mean, this gets the job done. That's pretty much the entire setup I have. And then I just want to take a minute and talk about something really important. Because these days I've been talking a lot about investing in yourself, doing things that increases your convenience and stuff. कुछ लोग फालतू का खर्चा बोलते हैं इसको, and this is not something जो एकदम से हो गया. Although I did have a very good head start, मेरे पापा ने जब मेरे को लैपटॉप खरीद के दिया था, but apart from that one laptop, I bought everything from my own money. My whole thing is, I mean, जितना भी मैं काम करता हूँ as of now, running my agency, पूरी brand को manage करना वगैरह, I could do it all from just this MacBook. I do not need anything else, right? But I do this because it makes me more productive. Nick Rogers on Twitter, he frames it really nicely that once you start making money, तुम्हें अपना environment better करना ज़रूरी है. And what does that actually mean is you eat better food, you have a better setup, you get good equipment, you invest in good software. क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ तुम्हारी speed बढ़ाएंगे. Right now, I could do all of the work that I'm doing right now with just a mic, my laptop and my phone. That's it. But उसके अलावा जो चीज़ें हैं, it's all in addition to it. But that's the main thing that makes this whole setup worth it, because मेरी speed बढ़ रही है पूरी चीज़ से. I am able to do more things. अगर मेरे को कहीं travel करना है, I have a good laptop. Okay, I can do everything here. किसी टाइम पे भी मेरा अगर पुराना लैपटॉप खराब हुआ, I can just move everything here within a day. Okay, मेरे को स्टोरेज का कोई इशू नहीं आएगा. I have a secondary monitor, which is probably the best investment you can make when it comes to being more productive as a creative, especially क्योंकि तुम्हें एक secondary monitor चाहिए. You need a bigger screen. Okay, उसके अलावा तुम्हें अगर you have a better keyboard, you have an external mouse, like तुम ये सब चीज़ों को करके you can increase your own speed. And let's say almost 70 to 80% of the money that I've made until now, it has come from just this laptop. So whenever you are investing in these things, you get an ROI which is not maybe directly money, but it makes you better at what you are doing, and तुम जो भी करते हो, it just has better quality. क्योंकि as you are growing in any career, you will strive for better quality in your work. I'm a creative right now, right? I run my own agency, मैं creative हूँ, I have my brands everywhere, मैं हर कहीं videos वगैरह बनाता रहता हूँ. I could do it all from my iPhone, but इससे the quality is better, my perception as a creator improves in my audience's eyes. तो उससे I get ROI which is not directly shown, but it is, the ROI is there. People appreciate good quality. So the entire thing being, this is something that I talked about in the last setup video as well. When you start making decent money, reward yourself with good equipment that will make you faster, and you will thank me once you start thinking like this. And yeah, I love spending on my own setup. I have big ambitions with what else I can do right here, but this is it for now. If you think about it, I don't really need anything. I made peace with the fact that if you are realistic, if I am realistic, I don't need to add anything else to this entire setup. I have everything, and that gives me peace, because if you have seen the Instagram reel as well, I talked about that even though I have not achieved all of my dreams, one of my dreams was to have a good setup, and I've done it. So I'm I'm proud of myself. But yeah, really raw setup video. Let me know कि तुम्हें अगर किसी चीज़ के बारे में specifically जानना है, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.